Trying not to get shot at the moment, so I will run.
Try not to get shot challenge. Impossible.
No, but it is possible. You just go all the way around like I did.
No, impossible. Well, you tried.
I wasn't going to shoot you, then you got to call it. Oh yeah, the enemy's right there. Go on, what's your plan?
Stroll straight in. Cut off their respawn. There's one just in front of the bunker.
Just in front?
Just in front of the bunker windows. It's... where I got shot from.
There is a guy straight on. I don't know what he's on, but it's an elevated platform.
Yeah. He knows I'm here though.
Ah, fuck.
Call him out, where are you shooting?
One went towards the truck. I don't know if it's a friendly or not, I just saw movement. But their spawn's over.
Yeah.
Okay, whoever it was is dead. There's also someone in the back area on an elevated platform. As you might hear.
Seen. He's hit, he's hit. Lou, Bush's side. One, Bush's side. Straight on.
You can hear shots come from the back. I know roughly where he is.
Okay.
I think the front might be clear, but obviously the main thing now is the objective. They're probably all in that bunker as well, the main one. There's no point even trying that shit.
Right.
Not now.
I don't know what the easiest way to get in is going to be, because
Secure the front, see what happens. We can try and slowly get around back. Just be careful out. Oh no, yeah, keep yourself.
right there, shut up. There's one right on the other side of this wall.
Right, yeah, no, there's someone literally past that tree. He's peeking in. He's on the right hand side.
Come on, red team, let us flying!
Oh, what the fuck? He's low.
There's one low, one back.
Okay, there's two. There's one low, one further back, Al.
No.
Good shot, good shot!
Shit. One's down. Oh, fucking hell.
Red.
Oh, red.
Red.
Whoa! Everyone down there's dead! No one should be firing down that corridor!
It's got to be in the corner. Has to be.
Yeah, you got it, you got it. Yeah, you got it. Right.
Friendlies have pushed into the main zone. I would just sulk in the corner actually. I mean, your spot's no better. The only benefit is you got range.
I can range them though.
And they can see you easily.
Yes. What if I stand all the way over here?
I think they could, unless they go on tyres, they're not going to see you that easily now.
No, they're not.
Could be worse, could be a sniper going on the very top.
Tony! Fuck you! Airsofters! You gave them again! 3, 2, 1!
I might just leave you and go somewhere that
Yeah,
far.
go for it.
Why did you all bunch of flare?
Guys, get there quick! They're gonna come! Get there quick! They're coming! They're going to the back! Get to the back! Quick!
Oh shit. They're going into the back, I'm here.
Communication is key! Quickly respawn, quick! Quickly respawn, get out, quick!
Probably shouldn't have picked this magazine.
They're coming round, they're coming
Come on,
round.
Ned! Push it! Keep talking, Red team!
Get on his backside.
Backside.
Stop the call, everyone!
Yeah, we're still okay on this side so far. They're pushing.
Is this the reason?
That's the respawn point, yeah. Fuck. Just watch that side. Church tower! Church tower.
What?
Doing a church tower.
Yeah, you're not in all yet. Remember, you've got to get this flag out, blue team!
Okay.
Hit!
Hit! Still in that church tower.
Woohoo, got him! You in now? Are you in past that green thing? No, you just gotta get past that green thing, you've got it! Red team, your respawn is over!
Oh, sorry, mate.
Fucking tower.
Red team,
Semi-auto only.
respawn is now over!
He's been in there that whole time.
Oh, I know.
But they pushed up to further left.
Hit!
Trying to come through. Respawn's over, I think.
Yeah, it is.
But yeah, they've breached the left, I think. That's where they've come from.
Can't get a good angle on him.
It's not
Unless I
easy.
go up.
They've changed the church completely now. It's good that they can't directly just fire in, but it's, yeah.
Head down. Sorry. In order to get that bit of the window, I have to shoot literally. They're coming in right there. Someone's shooting at me, I think.
Just get down for a bit.
Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm calling that. Hits!